Good morning, I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The S&P 500 set a new record overnight, overcoming a lacklustre consumer confidence report buoyed by a significant rise in Nvidia shares. The broad market index increased by 0.25%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 83.57 points, or 0.2%. Both indices reached intraday all-time highs and closed at record levels. The Nasdaq Composite also climbed 0.56%. Turning to the US sectors, 6 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors trended downwards overnight, with financials recording the biggest losses. Materials was the best performer overnight, closing higher by 1.35%. Nvidia shares jumped nearly 4% following a regulatory filing showing that CEO Jensen Huang had concluded his stock sales. The rally in the AI-focused chipmaker helped support the broader market. Visa shares fell 5.5% as the company faced regulatory pressure. The Justice Department's Antitrust Division filed a lawsuit in Manhattan Federal Court, accusing Visa of illegally monopolizing the US debit card market. Metal prices surged after China, the world's second largest economy, announced its largest stimulus package since the pandemic to combat deflation. Iron ore posted its biggest daily increase in over a year, rising 4% on the Dalian spot market. Copper rose 2.2% and aluminium increased 2.4% on the London Metal Exchange. Mining companies benefited from these gains, with Freeport-McMoRan advancing 7.9%, Southern Copper up 6.5%, Albemarle rising 3%, and Arcadium climbing 3.8%. Meanwhile, consumer confidence for September experienced its sharpest one-month decline in more than 3 years, dropping to 98.7, below the 104 economists had forecast in a Dow Jones poll. This came after JP Chase CEO Jamie Dimon voiced concerns about escalating geopolitical risks and their potential effects on the global economy. For the month, the major indexes are on track for healthy gains. The Dow has risen 1.6% in September, the S&P 500 is up 1.5%, and the Nasdaq is heading for a 2% increase, driven by optimism that the Federal Reserve rate cuts will stimulate economic growth and boost corporate earnings. And looking ahead to the Australian landscape, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% gain. Thank you for listening and have a great day.